Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com, and today I'm sharing this deliciously versatile sugar cookie dough recipe. So this is a given, but you want to start out with some good quality room temperature butter. Just place the butter in the bowl of the stand mixer or into a large bowl if you're using the hand mixer route. But you want to mix this on medium speed for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it's nice and fluffy. Should be lighter in color as well. So stop the mixer after that and go ahead and scrape down the bottom and sides of the bowl. And now it's ready for all that sugar, since this is a sugar cookie dough. And then once you add in all those sugar, you can go ahead and mix this for about 5 minutes on a medium speed as well. That looks good. We can go ahead and scrape down the bottom and sides of the bowl once again. Okay, so you want to get the mixer going again on a low speed, and you can go ahead and add in 1 egg at a time. The eggs are of course room temperature as well. And you want to make sure you mix this well before adding in the next egg. The egg should be absorbed into the dough before adding in the next egg for sure. Okay, so you just want to mix it until the eggs are no longer visible. Then you can stop the machine and go ahead and add in the lemon zest, lemon juice as well. And I'm going to add in the vanilla at this point. This dough is really delicious as is, but if you wanted to add in some cream cheese, if you're making a cream cheese tart, you can do that as well. Like I said, this dough is really versatile. I've used it for tarts, pie dough, of course sugar cookies, decorated sugar cookies. It's really versatile and delicious, trust me. And then you can stop the mixer, scrape down the sides of the bowl and the bottom, and really we're done for now. All we have to do is sift the dry ingredients together, dump it all in at once, and then fold that in. So I'm kind of weird. I like doing this part by hand. I find that it's easier to control and it's less of a risk of over mixing. If you want to take the easy way out and use a mixer, you can do that. But this is how I do the sugar cookie dough for the dry ingredients portion. I like to fold it in slowly. It does take a bit of time, but eventually you'll get there. And you can see the flour is still visible, and that's completely normal. Don't worry about that. The key is don't overmix it. No matter what method you're using, don't overmix it. So like I said, this dough is very delicious. You saw it was very easy to make, and it's very versatile. You can use it in pretty much every application. The key is once you fold in the dry ingredients, you want to go ahead and wrap it well and place it in the fridge or freezer for about 2 hours or up to overnight. The dough really does need to relax before using it, and once you begin to knead it out of the freezer, it's going to be crumbly. That's totally normal. Just keep working it and it will come together. For the full recipe, make sure you go to facefood.com, subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way, like this video, comment below for any comments or questions. I do appreciate your support and your patience. I'm working through a few things, so I do appreciate you guys sticking with me. Share this video if you will. I appreciate it. And until next time, guys, you have a wonderful day.
I'm just trying to make this money. I ain't trying to share with the team. Girl, I ain't trying to take nothing from you.